How to play Roblox on browser without downloading PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to this website. This website is called Game Nora. And it's very easy because all you have to do is to type that specific game like Roblox and you can play it right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let me type Roblox and Roblox will appear here. And what you want to do is you simply click play or click the play button to start playing this. However, there are some countries or there are some regions that Game Nora is not available. So it's okay because I'm going to show you now another website where you can play Roblox for free or you don't need to download. So all you have to do is simply go to this now.gg and then here what you want to do is to just simply go to the search bar and then type Roblox and then Roblox will appear here. And again, if this website is currently blocked or if this website is not available in your country, I'm going to show you some samples of VPN here. You can connect your site to any free VPN in order for you to get access to this website. Okay, example here is this VPN that I'm showing you right now. So all you have to do is to download or connect to this VPN, and then once you're successfully connected, then you can go back to this website like the Game Aura or this now the Gigi, type Roblox, and then start playing. So that's how easy it is to play Roblox in browser without downloading. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.